very depressing thought. A failed Reggae Boyz World Cup technical advisor turned coach Rudolph Speid, becoming the official coach of the team. Coming out of that sequence of failures, from the soup group to the selection madness and the tactical suicide during the playoff games. I mean, selecting Jamal Lowe and Norman Campbell and a couple local-based players ahead, and instead of top talent, Dujon Whisper Richards, who already showed his worth in this campaign, that alone should disqualify Mr. Speid from any consideration. And then our most impactful player of the campaign so far, Ronaldo Cephas, never got a minute in the first game. And in that crucial second game against the DRC, Cephas was a mere second half substitute, played out of position. That now should be a second disqualification for Mr. Speid. Right now, if Speid gets the job full time, a Jax and then the Shandy and the Reggae girls, me a support. Yes. Go Reggae girls! Go Reggae girls!